Guys, happy Monday and welcome. Katie Helms has joined us today, so I'm going to hand it over to you, Katie.
Thank you. So I'm going to plug my upcoming Canva training that is happening on this Wednesday at 10 a.m. at the Big Bend office. Everyone is welcome to attend. I do ask that you go ahead and make yourself a free Canva account before you come to the meeting. We're going to dive right in at the very beginning. We're going to start from scratch, so you don't have to have any prior knowledge in Canva. I just want you to have that account set up so that you can actually do what we're talking about. We don't have to take the time to set up the account. And it is the free account. I'm only going to teach things that you can do for free for your business. I'll tell you what you can get out of the paid membership, but I will only be teaching things that you can accomplish with the free account. So during this morning, I wanted to take a minute here and show you guys what we're going to be doing. I'm not going to go step by step through this. Let me share my screen here. Hold on one second.
All right.
Okay, can you guys see my screen? Are you seeing Canva?
Yep.
Yep.
Perfect. So I'm not going to go step by step during this morning's 15-minute session because believe it or not, I want to take it a little bit slower than that during the training so that everybody understands exactly what you can do. But I am telling you that Canva is so easy to use. You could seriously create something in less than 15 minutes. So just to give you a little sneak peek into what we're going to be doing, I have already created a few things that we're going to go through during the training on Wednesday. Everybody is going to create a for sale or just sold or just listed, whatever the case may be, static image such as this one. And we're going to talk about exactly how to do that. We are also going to look at animation. So we're going to create something that is a animated or video version of that. So you can see from this one, let me play it for you. So this one has some animated type on it. Give it a second here and it'll play. And I don't know, can you guys hear the sound?
No.
Oh, okay. There is music. So come to the training and I'll show you how to apply the music to the background. So we're going to do some animated stuff as well as a video to boost that content engagement. We're also going to look at how you can create a email signature. So something like this, that is an animated email signature that you can put at the bottom of your email that goes out. And all of these things can be done really simply and pretty quickly in Canva. It doesn't take any real prior design knowledge or even like tech knowledge to do it. It is all very easy to do. So I want everybody to download that free account of Canva and show up on Wednesday at 10 a.m. so that you can take advantage of learning these things. There's going to be much more tools that we're going to go over too. But once again, it's all free and it's going to be quick and easy to use. And I'd like to even challenge myself a little bit here. I want you guys to come to that training with an idea of something that you want to create. So if it is, maybe it is a guide for first-time home buyers with like a couple, step-by-step bullet points on how to get pre-approved. Maybe it is a congratulatory card that you're going to send to closings that have just happened. Anything that you can think of for your business that you want to create in Canva, bring that idea with me, just the idea, because I'm going to take suggestions and show you how I've pre-planned some of these things, but how it's so easy that you can go ahead and just get, that we can just take suggestions from you guys, and I can create it right there on the fly and show you how to do it as well. Okay. So make sure that you guys are attending. Do you guys have any questions about Canva just before the meeting happens on Wednesday that I should be prepared for, or things that you're expecting from me?
How much does it cost for the advanced program? Do you know?
I believe I'll have to look into that. I believe it's $6 a month, or you can save some money if you buy an entire year all at once. If you do the annual membership, I think you save a couple dollars a year. And I will say, there are a lot of things that you get for that small amount of money, but you don't have to have it. You can accomplish everything with the free account.
When is your training again?
It's Wednesday at 10 a.m. at the Big Bend office.
Are you going to Zoom it?
No, I'm not. I'm not going to do it on Zoom. The reason is because the point of the meeting is that everybody is going to create something as we go. So I'm going to be fielding questions from the agents in attendance, and I don't want to have to intermingle Zoom questions as well. I just don't think that's fair to those who show up in person. So if it's in high demand, I can go to other offices and train, but I'm doing it just at the Big Bend office on Wednesday for this first training.
How much are you charging?
Now, I may not have treats or food at the meeting, but it is free to attend.
So and it goes from what, like 10 to noon, Katie?
I'm anticipating probably an hour and a half to 2 hours to get through everything. It's the first time I've trained on Canva, so I don't know exactly how long it's going to be, but that's my anticipation.
Guys, this is a great opportunity to join and learn something and be able to use something that doesn't cost you anything, and to really showcase your value to your clients. I mean, like Katie said, come to the table with a suggestion. I mean, thinking maybe open houses, a listing, a pre-listing, or sale by owners. Think outside the box. What do you want to do? Thanking past clients, like she said. So it's a great opportunity.
Yeah, communication never ends. So you can literally use Canva for anything you want to create to communicate with current clients, past clients, on social media, on paper, in email. Doesn't really matter where it is or how you're using it. It's a great way that you can create anything that your mind can think up.
Does anybody have any questions for Katie? You never know, there might be some treats there for you guys that show up. So, hey, Katie, does people need to register to attend or just show up?
There have been a few people who have emailed me letting me know that they're going to be there. That's great if you want to do it. I'm trying to handle on how many people are going to be there, because if it's a small group, we'll go into the training room or a conference room. If it's a big group, I'll do it in the open area of the district on the big screen. So I'm just trying to get an idea for how many people are going to be there. So if you could let me know, that would be great.
So guys, if you decide to attend, please register, and I'll send out a reminder so we know how many people are going to show up.
Yes.
I'm wondering if any of our agents are using it, who might be on the call this morning. Is anybody using it?
Mm-mm.
Nope. No. So this will be a good session. It's great.
Yep. It's
And
just
even
something
if you
else.
are, even if an agent is using it already, I really would encourage them to attend as well, because a program like this is always evolving, and I am not an expert. I try really hard to learn as much as I can to teach that, but there's always little tips and tricks that other people know that I may not know that would be great for someone to share with the group. And so even if you are using Canva, don't think that you shouldn't attend just to, kind of aid in the conversation. And you might learn something different from me too.
Very good point. Awesome. Well, thank you. Does anybody, Norm, you got anything to add today before we wrap it up today?
Just that I was looking at the stats, and all three offices seem to be doing very well. Looking forward to a great August. Usually August is one of the best months out there. So keep doing the open houses, keeping in touch with past clients and your in your sphere of influence. It should be a very, very good month. So keep doing what you need to be doing.
Agree. I think there's a lot of opportunities out there. and you guys got to capitalize on that. So I was reading one of my books this weekend just to, read something, and I'll share more with that on Wednesday. But just reading what top agents do, and I think the biggest thing that hit me was I've been busy lately, and I haven't been planning like I always do. So you need to have a plan for the week and sit down, with yourself either on Sunday night or first thing Monday mornings. Make sure you are doing the activities you need to do for the week and have it written down and have it planned, and do your time blocking because it really helps you. So, but just was thinking about that this weekend after I read that little article in this one book that Norm gave me. So Lori is out this week. So if you need anything, please reach out to me. We're here to help you and keep the focus. Anybody on the phone today have anything before we wrap it up? All right, guys, I'm going to give you 1 minute back. Have a great Monday, and hopefully we'll see you all on Wednesday at Katie's training. And just a reminder, we do have a happy hour Wednesday night at Helen Fitzgerald's. Guys, have a great Monday.
Thank
Bye,
you.
everybody.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.